Welcome to HL Graphics. I'm Humaira Laique, and in today's tutorial, we'll be mastering the art of creating initials logo design in Adobe Illustrator.
We'll be focusing on a two-letter logo, specifically using the initials J and S. I'll walk you through each step of the design process, and then we'll move to Photoshop to present our logo using various stunning mockups. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is perfect for enhancing your logo design techniques. Let's get started.
In each of my tutorials, I must give you information about the font, but the font I have used is called Mongolian Bitey. First I will write letter J and letter S and create outline for them. Now after that we will set the letter J on top of the letter S. After that we'll grab both together with the selection tool and make a duplicate copy of it. For which we will go to edit and click on copy. After that we'll go back to edit and click paste and back so that the duplicate copy appears below it. We want the duplicate copy to be clearly visible, so we'll choose a color. Here we have chosen light gray color so that you can see clearly. Now we want to make the duplicate copy a little thicker. For this we will go into the offset path. And they're 10-point thick. After that it will be expanded. Take duplicate copy is ready. Which is light gray in color. Now we will grab all of them with the help of selection tool. And click on shape builder tool. And here we are choosing the color red. Now we will start creating our logo. Check out this logo created with ease. You can also create a logo in the same way. In this tutorial, we have created a striking two-letter logo by artistically placing the letter J and the letter S on top of each other using Adobe Illustrator. This design showcases the elegance and simplicity of combining initials, making it an excellent choice for creating unique and memorable logos. Designing logos in Illustrator is incredibly straightforward and efficient, allowing us to experiment with various styles and arrangements effortlessly. Such logos not only stand out but also enhance brand recognition, ensuring that your designs are easily identifiable and leave a lasting impression among your audience. I have created numerous logos on my YouTube channel, and I invite you to check them out to see the variety and creativity in my work. If you find my designs inspiring and valuable, I would greatly appreciate it if you could share them with your friends. Your support means a lot to me, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel, HL Graphics, for more exciting and educational content. Thank you for being a part of this creative journey.